Justice Minister Delroy Chuck has joined in calls for the Integrity Commission to provide the public with updates on its investigations into various cases of alleged corruption. He was speaking at the ministry's quarterly press briefing on Friday. TVJ's Anthony Lugg reports.
Several probes underway by the Integrity Commission, and the country anxiously awaits the outcome. Chief among them, the deepening Petrojam scandal. But since the appointment of the new board in 2018, criticism has leveled against the Commission about its silence on cases being probed. Speaking at his ministry's quarterly media briefing on Friday, Justice Minister Delroy Chuck said the Integrity Commission can provide reports to the public without disclosing the details of its investigations.
I would say that they may be going through teething pains, and to the extent that they must become more accessible, and also to report on a very regular, periodic, perhaps monthly basis, that they're investigating a number of cases without revealing everything. I think that's important.
Those words from the minister, but still no updates from the commission. Journalists questioned whether the commission is restricted. Mr. Chuck was quick to point out that the statute does not prevent the commission from providing updates to the public.
What we said is that until you are at a stage where you feel that the evidence is strong, then the information should not be revealed to the public. So that the start of an investigation, let's say you're investigating the Ministry of Justice because of whatever, put the Ministry of Justice under a corruption taint when nothing exists. So make sure that before you issue a press release or indicate that the Ministry of Justice is under investigation for ABC, have some evidence before you do so because of reputational damage.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.
Now, in the meantime, the Justice Minister says changes are coming to the Proceeds of Crime Act.
Under the POCA legislation, we will be examining to make sure that all cash transactions, be it by attorneys, real estate, jewelers, pawnbrokers, car dealers, that they have an obligation to report it so we can stem the corruption and criminality.